Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a container in Azure and expose it to the internet. So first let me tell you why you should use Azure Container Instances. Azure Container Instances is useful for scenarios that can be operated in isolated containers, including simple applications, task automation, and build jobs. Some of the benefits would be fast startup, your per second billing incur cost only while the container is running, hypervisor level security, and you have an option to specify the exact values for the CPU's cores and memory that can be included in the custom sizes. You have a persistent storage. You can mount Azure file shares directly to a container to retrieve and persist state. You can schedule both Windows and Linux containers using the same APIs. And for the scenarios where you need full container orchestration, including service discovery across multiple containers, automatic scaling, and coordinated application upgrades, you should use AKS with ACR and ACI. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm into the Azure portal and I'm going to launch Cloud Shell. I'm going to quickly create a CI, that is the Azure Container Instances. Okay. Use existing. And this and this. I will pause the video and come back. Alright. This is done. I have my resource group already created. So I'm going to create I will provide a DNS name to expose to the container to the intranet, right? So the DNS name must be unique. So I am gonna create one variable which is this DNS name label ACI demo. You can give it anything. I'm just adding a random variable here, right? So then I will type in the command to create a container. So my resource group is not this. I'm going to change the resource group here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so this is the FQDN of the container. This is the public IP. So if I try to browse it, let's see what I see. So if this works perfectly fine, so this deployment is still in running state, that is why it is not showing. Otherwise I would have seen the message on this browser with the image. It should be viewable memory usage. Okay, it is also succeeded. Let me cancel this, paste it again, do it again, or let me paste and look for the public IP. Here it is, and do HTTP. The public IP, I'll remove this, hit enter. So I should see this. The thing that I'm seeing with this public IP, welcome to Azure Container Instances, I should see this here as well when I'm trying to browse it with the FQDN, right? So you got the idea. that I should see both on the same. It may be some issue from the back end, I don't know, but usually I see it. Right now, you know how to create the Azure container instance and using the hello world image, or you can use any other publicly available image as well. I used hello ACI hello world, which is present on the Microsoft GitHub gallery. Right, so you can specify any other image as well. Right, so I hope this was informative to you, and in the next video we will pick up few more topics, and if you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.